name is Timothy Sands, and this is Fashionable Father. If you're one of the lucky ones and have subscribed early, welcome back. If you are new here, subscribe if you're so inclined. Now, I'm going to be talking about my apartment this week because I kind of went down this awesome internet rabbit hole. As you well know, I do a lot of these. And I've been fascinated by apartment tours, and especially minimalism and mid-century modern apartments that are highly inspiring yet slightly frustrating. Now, anything I've learned is that this is not an easy process. I did do the the KonMari method. The Japanese lady that is on Netflix, who I read her book, The Magic Art of Tidying Up. It's amazing. It is. I threw away like bags and bags of clothes right before Arthur was born. And I've realized now that I have a child that trying to get rid of stuff and declutter and make that a reality is very difficult, especially with a variable of a child and a wife who are not always on your same page. You know what I'm saying? What I was thinking of doing is showing you the nitty gritty, how the sausage is made, what you got to do to actually make this happen, which is not always easy, right? Like you have to actually figure out what you're going to do with piles and piles of paperwork. You have to figure out what you're going to do with stuff that is not yours, like your wife's or your child's. All right, so that's why I'm going to title this Mid-Century Modern Decluttering. And let's get into it, huh? I'm excited. Are you? Let's do this. Oh, geez, I forgot I had this thing. What is this? Okay, so the struggle is real. What I was thinking of doing is I wanted to obviously try to clean up, declutter, also try to fit in a little design like mid-century modern design. However, the decluttering has completely taken over. I know this is probably not the most organized way of doing things, but initially I just wanted to get stuff off of counters. It was really, really annoying me. All right, so we had to get out of that apartment. I was tired of looking at paperwork. I was tired of trying to organize it. So we are on our way to, yes, the maze they call IKEA, to grab up some curtain rods because I have some curtains that I've been wanting to hang since I pretty much moved into this apartment. So that's what we're doing right now. So trying to attempt some mid-century modern design for our lovely apartment. Okay, join us. You okay?
I'm fine.
There we go. walk through this entire maze downstairs to find curtain rods. I have no clue what I'm doing with this. Alright, so we're at that line and I just realized I missed one of the hooks that I need for the curtain rod. So we're gonna have to go all the way back through this maze, hopefully try to find shortcuts to get the last hook, because I need 3 hooks because it's so long. We'll cut through some. Run that way. Keep going. And we are home. Little guy's sleeping, so I'm gonna let him hang out in there for a little bit and then unload all this stuff. Do this is right. Alright, so here we are like a couple days later. It was a lot of work and I don't feel like I succeeded fully where I wanted to succeed. I still have a lot of stuff I need to figure out what to do with and put away. I did declutter some of the counter space as you saw, and I also got some of these curtains up, which I'm excited about. They look good. They look really good. I feel like we did a good job. No?
Yes.
Don't be too envious of those apartments that are super staged, and especially, what's the saying? How's the saying go? Show me a minimalist and show me a single male. You know, and that is, it's a lot easier when you're a guy just taking care of your own stuff. I like what the KonMari method, where she says hit specific things. I think by going after the counters, I mixed in so many different items from my household that I was overwhelmed very quickly because I had to figure out each little thing and what I was going to do with it. And her method is awesome because what she tells you to do is go after specific items so that you're in that mindset of taking care of those items. So, go ahead and tell me, what is this? Is this Fashionable Father?
Fashionable Father!
This is my story of fashion and fatherhood. My name is Timothy Sands. Please like this video if you got any value, maybe inspired to do some mid-century modern decluttering, and subscribe if you're so inclined. We've got lots of videos about fashion, about fatherhood, apparently about interior design and decluttering as well. And also, remember, always remember, style first. See you on the flip side.
Say! Whoa! Yeah!
I really like it, Tim. You did a really great job.
I
It
love
adds a lot
you.
of, I love you too, buddy. It adds a lot of
Fondness.
warmth and character.
Please.
And the cool thing is, it really kind of goes with all of our stuff. I think we have
Hey,
the blonde wood furniture
Look.
and the gray couch. I think it looks really good.